Hey guys, welcome back to Emma's Gaming Corner. And today we're going to be playing some Minecraft Bed Wars. I'm here with a friend of mine who is right there in front of me. Hello. So, let's get into the game.
Aaron A. Anderson. What is it?
Oh my god, there's a really cute skin over here.
Oh my god!
Don't mock me. There's a Star Wars character on our team named Banana.
Is he your father?
What? No. What is wrong with you?
You don't understand, do you?
I do understand, like Darth Vader. Do you realize Darth Vader means Dark Father?
No, I did not.
Well,
I think I've heard that before somewhere, though. So, I think I did realize that. I just didn't realize that.
you're like, I think I did realize that, but I did realize that. Your grammar is unforgettable.
You think my grammar is unforgettable? I think you should take a look in the mirror.
I did not know that you wrote mirror. You did words. I did not know
exactly.
that you. I did not know you wrote words on your mirror.
There's a red guy at the diamonds. He's building up.
Not for long.
Oh, bully him.
I love bullying people. I have another one if you need it.
Maybe. Ooh, wrecked.
That was a good one.
Okay, he's just building up now, so he hit me.
I'm gonna pause the recording for a bit and I'll continue with the recording in a while, in a bit. Guys, so I stopped recording for a tiny bit, but so I got some armor and a sword. I can't remember if I had the sword before I stopped recording. I just killed somebody as well, which is really nice.
Yeah, that's a real good thing to do. Make sure you kill someone on a daily basis. It makes you feel really good about yourself and
Oh yeah, so good.
Your, self-confidence.
I put there's enough gold for you to get a sword in there.
Emma, I am the master at dying. I think I should wait to get a sword.
You're not the master at it.
I almost died.
I died trying to put out a fire, so...
That's true. That was hilarious.
And we were literally about to win. I got 2 diamonds.
The right guys at the diamonds. Die, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh my god!
I would avenge your death, but kind of busy.
You know, always have my back.
I do have, a bed bug. Which sounds nasty.
Yeah.
I'm coming to the diamond generator with you, wherever you are.
I just wanna mess him up. Mess him up, mess him up. Mess him up, 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 mess him up.
Words?
I came over to their base and I'm just messing them up.
I just threw a silverfish at them and they didn't even realize it was me.
We should get, you know what we should get? We should get a Dream Defender and spawn it on their base.
Oh my god, yes! Someone did that to me when I was playing single player. So, I'm gonna fast forward to when we have that. Okay, so we got a Dream Defender. We're about to go do something epic and put it on their base.
He's got a bow. No!
I can buy a bow soon. Kind of, not really. How much are they? 12? Okay, yeah, I can afford a bow. I have a bow now. So if you want to go attack him, because we have the Dream Defender, and I really want to put it on his base. One of them left the base. Let's go. Where are you?
I'm going, following. Let's go. Do you want me to go first? So if he shoots, then he'll shoot me.
Let's just go.
Okay. He's coming. He's coming. Spawn. Yes. Get him. Oh, mess him up. Oh, mess him up. No, they killed him. No!
I died, but that was so fun.
They're all so low health. Yeesh.
We can save up for another one and try again.
I guess.
We already have a stack and a half.
Guy at their base.
There's a yellow guy?
Yeah.
We already have a stack and a half of iron in the chest. Okay, so
Mess him up. Mess
I'm
him
gonna
up.
fast forward
Mess
the
him
video
up.
again.
Mess
So
him up.
okay, so we're gonna go attack, right?
Yes.
With our Dream
Hey,
Defender.
dude. Yeet. 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 Yeet.
Let's
He's
go.
gonna fall.
I got a kill. Two kills.
Oh, I almost killed one guy. I got him super low health, so kill him.
No, their bed was just about to be broken.
I'm going back in case they come and charge. Come on, team. Whoa.
Their bed was literally just about to be broken.
They destroyed their bridge, so,
That guy just said, "Come on, team."
When their dudes fill in the void. Nice. Nice.
We need to get our teammate is doing really well. Like he's. Did you?
What is this bridge?
Oh my god. I'm actually so bad though.
Yes.
I'm entertaining.
No kidding. Sorry, I had something in my mouth there.
I'm about to go and attack.
I'll follow you.
Okay, I have a bed bug and a fireball.
It sounds so nasty. When you say, you just, okay.
I accidentally just threw my bug off the freaking bridge.
Hardcore parkour. Hardcore parkour. Hardcore parkour. Oh, I think I got 2 kills. I got 2 kills.
And then died.
Yeah, so I got all their loot, and then one guy killed me, and then got everyone.
Noise.
I think there's a dude over there. He shot Bridge Egg! He's the Bridge Egg, man!
Oh my god, Bridge Egg! He's actually really dumb.
Oh, nice bed bug move!
Yes!
Died.
He died.
What a kill.
And I get the kill too. That's funny.
There's a yellow guy using the Bridge Egg there.
Okay. I'm about to kill him, so it doesn't matter. Nikki, I wanted to kill him.
No.
Do you see him lagging?
He's lagging so hard, he literally teleported out of me.
I saw that.
I was like, getting him, and he wasn't moving, and I was like, you good, man? And
There's
then,
only one.
like,
Somehow there's only one team eliminated.
Yeah. I mean, yellow could just be minding their own business, and then there's us in red, you know?
Yeah. Wanna go attack?
Lagger. He's lagging. Apparently I killed him, but he was lagging really hard, so.
How are you gonna get back onto the base?
Oh, I killed him. I don't know. You're gonna have to build me something. I
I'm
can get I can get close, you just have to build to the bridge egg. But I have 5 emeralds, so you might want to save me.
Our teammate is coming.
Thank you. You should thank them for like the automatic bridge. But I got us 5 emeralds and get me some diamond armor.
Oh, cool. Okay.
If I get one more.
I'm trying to make this bridge like extra safe.
That's nice.
Cool. We look like Spider-Man.
Who do?
Red just threw a bomb at me.
Fun. That can get me some diamond armor, yo.
I really want to go attack Red now.
I want a better sword, at least stone,
Okay.
which I can now get. Just because I had a wooden one this entire
I'm waiting at
time.
the end of the bridge.
Yeah, I see you, I'm coming.
Oh, my bed bug. Yes. And I got 19 iron. Not like that's gonna do anything for me, but hectic. You can hear my brother swearing in the background.
Can you?
Guys, oh my god, I'm so happy. Oh my god, there are so many of you.
All my dudes are twerking. Let's go.
That's
Let's
the end
go.
of the video.